Mazzala again, back for part 2 of modeling with a vertex form. So I already have the equation, so to type in your equation, you're going to go to graph and plot new function, and you're just going to use the little keypad to type everything in. So my equation was -6/25, that was my a value, and then parentheses x minus the 5 from my vertex, because then my vertex was 5, 6. Raise, hold on, go back, close your parentheses, raise to the power of 2, and when you think you have your equation, go ahead, hit OK, and your parabola should outline where your parabolic image is, but mine isn't. So if you need to go back and edit your equation like I do, you can just double click on your equation, it brings it back up, and then you can just fix it as is. Alright, so now it's much better. Now it's definitely going where I want it to go, which is around the mustache, up around the nose, and then back around the mustache. So how you're going to do this, and again, it's better if your equation is highlighted. So click on the equation to highlight it, click on the graph to highlight it, click on the equation to highlight it. Make sure both of these are highlighted and easy to see. And on your keypad there is a button that says print screen. It's like a copy and paste for everything. And then if you open up a Google Doc, I already have one with a title and my name on it, you can paste in whatever you just copied. Now this looks a little untidy, a little messy, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the image and then I'm going to crop everything. So let's bring it up a little bit so you don't see my toolbar. Let's bring it down a bit so you don't see those toolbars. Bring it in a little bit so we can just focus on the guy. And you don't want to cut off the equation, so I just brought it over enough so you can still see the image and the equation. And once you're done cropping, you can just click out of it, and now the image looks a little bit cleaner. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, but again, it helps if your equation and your parabola are highlighted. That way you can see that it matches and it's easier to see on your graph, on your picture. And then just make sure that you do have the picture cited, because the picture that you took from the internet isn't in fact yours, so you do need to cite it. And then you're just going to submit your document through Google Classroom. Alright, thanks guys.